Hey vlog, it's tournament day. So today we're going to North Carolina for my soccer tournament with all of my friends.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss.
We just passed a place called Doraville. They probably have lots of maps.
Got 'em.
Hey guys, we're on the way to North Carolina to go to a tournament. Hey vlog, we're on hour 3. I'm coloring in a coloring book.
Nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Guys, I'm here! Nice, Rhea, nice. Mom, you wanna be in my vlog? Looking a little rough. Oh wait, I wanna get the name of the thing. This is the hotel we're staying in. Looks like a castle. Really overpriced. Would have been cheaper to go to the beach. But it's fine.
I'm falling head over toes.
All the recovery centers are. Savannah, are you ready for game 1?
So ready.
We're getting food. We tied the first game. Not very happy about it. But we're gonna win the next one.
It's got lions.
Oh my gosh. We're currently going to the cafe. Come on. You're in the vlog right now. You're so lame. Gosh, why are there so many stairs?
Oh my god. Come on this way, guys. Welcome to my house.
MTV, welcome to my crib.
If this thing is not open.
What is this? Is that the terrace? I feel like we're supposed to be over here.
Okay. Look.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, this is my patio. This is where I drink my
Welcome to the crib.
This is where I drink my afternoon tea. That water is disgusting. It's a koi pond. There's a fishy. It's koi. Whoa, look.
Walked out on the terrace, and we have a game in 30 minutes. So we found a door that was open, but we came in the wrong door, and we're in a different room. What's in there?
It's the same exact room, but like opposite. No.
No, it's not.
I'm scared.
Oh, I thought we were gonna like open the door and it'd be like.
Are y'all ready to play?
Wait, are you vlogging?
Yeah.
I'm in the vlog. It's gonna be my vlog. I'm so proud.
Just got finished showering and getting ready for Kate's birthday dinner tonight. Got back from the second game, which we won 4-1, and I scored. This is the fit for tonight. These shorts are from Levi's. This top is from American Eagle, and this necklace is also from American Eagle. And the shoes are from Famous Footwear.
Is it facing us?
Yes, it is.
Ariana didn't know you could dry your hair. Well, I did. I was like, my hair's wet.
The blow dry.
You guys are ruining my TikTok idea, but it's fine. Whatever. I'll just get famous without you all. Hey vlog! Back with another video. Welcome to my backyard.
Hey guys, so we're playing Manhunt right now. Everyone, please go like and subscribe to Bella's YouTube channel, and I would really appreciate it.
I just wanted to say that, no, never mind.
Why is there's an alarm next to it, Savannah? Good morning, everyone. We are currently getting breakfast and getting an omelet for our first game of the day, third game of the tournament. For your omelet, Mom? Yes. Well, vlog, we lost like 6-0, 5-0. Not very happy about it. We're going home currently, back to the hotel, and we are leaving with no medal. No medal. Again. We're about to go to the pool, and then we're leaving to go home. Dad is stalking this person's car. Wait, oh yeah, right there. It's a nice one. We can't afford those. Currently at the pool.
Right over there. You took the wrong way.
Wrong way.